Hold it like more to the top. Right up more. Right there. Yeah. Maybe we come out closer.
Let's see. Let's go.
Oh shit, let's go. So apparently there's already a fire starting and everything. You got the fire department going on. We don't know what happened. We're not about to find out.
Nope.
We just gotta keep moving. Just keep moving and walking.
Man, that looks so tight with the fireworks all behind you.
Oh, right behind me?
Yeah, right behind you.
Damn.
You should make it look like you're throwing a gun in the air, and you're just like pow pow. There you go. There you go. Bam, bam. Ah, that's tight. That's gonna be sick. We're playing this video. You wanna sit right there?
Nah, we gotta get closer.
Alright.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
We got a crazy dude here. Ladies and gentlemen. You know, I gotta point it to the ground because I can't see where I'm going. Right here. That's a good spot to sit. I think we'll get in trouble by law, but oh well.
There's no sign.
He is correct. There is no sign.
There's no sign. It's the great 4th of July right here. Of course, we're just enjoying this.
We are.
We're just like any normal Americans out here.
And if you hear out in the distance, we got like alarms and stuff going on. We got airplanes in the air.
We don't know what's happening.
Man, it's crazy stuff. I guess people already started a fire and it's barely going on. It ain't even done. My boy.
It's going great. This is how you celebrate 4th of July. Have your boy right next to you.
And just watch the fireworks.
And what's funny too, we're right down the road from where my ex-girlfriend lives. Like, right down the road. Funny shit right there. Didn't even realize it. Like, I'm looking at it now. I probably have a feeling she's out there. I want to just give a shout out. Fuck you!
Yeah! These
Exactly.
fireworks go out to you.
They all just want to say, fuck you.
There goes the thing again. I keep pressing that side button.
You really like seeing my picture?
Something bad really happened. Dang, look at that. Oh my god, dude. Fuck, dude, that recoil on that thing.
Oh
it sounds badass because it's
know.
like,
Look!
oh my god, they gotta do another one. I bet you these people spend
down
like.
there, there's fireworks going out everywhere. You see that long line right there?
All
Those are
that-
just cars trying to get home.
Just trying to get home just to pop their fireworks, but sadly they can't. I wish we can get closer.
Maybe we can. Let's
I
just see
don't
if we can walk.
Here,
Oh.
you got videos right now. Alright. Come on, sir. You think we can cross through there?
I wouldn't.
We're gonna keep going. I swear, if we come back and the car's not there,
Car's locked.
and that's gonna be bad. If the car's not there. But anyways, people, I guess they're gonna leave already because they don't have any more fireworks. They wasted it all.
Oh, I think that's it.
I think that's a good show though. I mean, it ain't even midnight yet. I mean, it's not like New Year's Eve that you pop them all at midnight, but
No,
it's worth a
the
try.
truck's leaving.
Nah, there was one.
There was only one.
No, there was three.
Nah, 'cause
There was three lined up.
I think that's it.
I don't think so.
Hang on. Yeah, that's it.
Well, apparently that's it. But I don't think so. I think there's more.
Nah, look at the lines moving. Ah, damn, boy, prove me wrong.
Yeah, independent. I know it's tight on the water, dog.
Let me see.
That looks legit. Like when it pops, watch it on the water. That's beautiful. I'm surprised that people didn't even think of this. Coming all the way down here, where you can actually see the fireworks.
You know what? We should cross the street and go to that lake right there. Is there a lake across?
Why? We got more fireworks that way?
We don't know. That's
Well,
what.
hoping for the best. There's fireworks either.
No, we'll still see them. But we're gonna have fun crossing the street.
Okay, it's gonna be a dangerous ride. I think we should go to where the middle thing is at.
Should we just go to the car?
Go to the car and then come back.
Yeah. We got a chance. Go now. I really don't have a clue where we're at
We
yet.
got lighting now. We're Canyon Lakes Village.
Canyon Lakes Village.
I guess that's where.
Wait, yeah, that's where she lives.
This is where boy's ex lives at. Another shout out to her. You. Anyways, on to the video.
Oh, you think we should tag her in this?
For sure. For sure. For sure. I didn't meet you. Heard a lot about you. Wasn't very good ending. Oh, you just gotta say that. Anyway, we're gonna keep rolling. Everyone's going home. They think it's done. But we're gonna sit
We
out
can still
here.
see.
Yeah, we're gonna sit out here at this little river thing.
We don't know where we're at. Just walk around.
People got food over here. We should ask for something.
No.
We had our chips. We had our.
No, we still got the chips.
It's in the car though.
Yeah, I'm cooking.
Yeah, as soon as you get home. See, look at the water. See how it looks.
Just, I know you guys
We
can't.
should take advantage of this into the music video.
I know.
Because it'd be nice. But since I don't know what we're doing, because you haven't explained it all yet.
We have people looking at us.
They think we're crazy, probably, because we kind of are.
We're just badasses right now.
Yeah. Gonna do my duck call. Hold on. Ooh, he answered. I guess that's it.
Hold your finger between it, like right here. Oh shit.
Oh, there you go.
I took a picture of my finger.
Alright, we're at 9 minutes already. Our old video stopped.
We're just
We're just going around.
going. I want to give a shout out to Katie's little sisters, Miranda and Ashley. I miss you guys. Hope you guys are doing great. Damn. This guy, it's 4th of July. I'm in my Captain America shirt. I'm enjoying it. That was apparently a dog. It scares the crap out of me. Yet again, the dog scaring the crap out of me. Fuck yeah, no.
Smells like shit, but alright.
No, that's it. Like I told my boy Lear, fireworks are done. People are leaving. See,
We should
head back to the car.
We really should.
Let's just get walking. We're just enjoying our little ventures together. See, this is stuff we do to have fun. Jasmine, we're sorry, you missed it out.
I mean, I am leaving in a couple days, so we just have to have a couple minutes of fun. Well, actually an hour or two. And this hour went by pretty fast, not gonna lie. He's talking to dogs. I'm not gonna blame him. Dogs are retarded. It looks like a big old pit. It's not gonna do nothing.
Hopefully we find the car.
Hopefully. I mean, I know where it's at.
He knows where he's at, I don't. We got about a mile back.
Wow. Missed that one, but oh well.
Come on.
Yeah, I was just like a couple seconds delayed. Dude, if we were out in the country, and they were popping fireworks like this,
Yeah.
that'd be better.
No trees, no nothing.
No, nothing.
Just a clear blue sky.
Actually, really dark.
It's blue still.
I caught
That
that.
wasn't that good.
I caught it though.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow. If y'all can see out in the distance, that's the moon.
That is the moon right there.
Talking to the moon. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Trying to get to you.
Just to tell you guys too, my new album comes out soon. Drop it down on iTunes in officially 4 days. Things are going good. Me and my band, we got sponsored by Warner Brothers Records. We're just gonna keep growing with it.
Yeah,
Hey,
keep going.
guys, look, all you have to do is just search up my name. You'll find all our songs. It's so far 35 songs.
So far.
So far. Next thing you know, we're gonna be making it big time.
Big time. Big time, why? Because that's how we do it.
Yeah.
There's no other way to do it besides big.
And now we're back at Barker Cypress.
Road.
The Barker Cypress.
Of all
We're
roads.
just gonna stay on this side right now and just walk.
Because if we cross
We're
right now, we're gonna die.
Walk through these trees. We're gonna pull like G.I. Joe shit right here.
G.I. Joe. If I can see you, yeah.
When you're hiding in these trees. Let me see that part. I'll hold it for you. As you guys can probably well, you can't smell. There's barbecue going around. Oh,
Barbecue.
it smells good. Still got fireworks going on.
Told us what ain't done.
Uh-uh.
We got 13 minutes into the video already. We're just killing time right now.
And it's probably like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
Almost 10.
Okay?
Almost 10.
Yeah.
This is 10 in Central Time. So whoever's out there, distant, Oklahoma, you know, Cali.
Anywhere. Hope you guys enjoy this.
There goes a tree. But I mean, we're chilling. We're about to cross.
We are officially Puerto Ricans just gone wild.
Oh man, this ain't even near it. As soon as you start drinking,
Woo!
that's Puerto Ricans gone wild.
There you go.
By the way,
See, this boy knows how to talk. Alcohol.
alcohol.
That's where it comes.
That's where he comes into play. Not me. I am trying to stay pure.
You're around me, boy. We're
Yeah.
gonna stay clean.
Usually when I'm around him, it doesn't really last long. But,
Trouble always happens.
I mean, we can always,
Have fun.
yeah, I prevail from it.
Let's
I
go
try
up
to-
more. Stay with flat ground.
Yeah,
We're
'cause
walking on a ledge.
there's all grass right here. We're doing a limbo. I just went over it. I mean, under it.
Damn, I can still hear these fireworks.
I mean, I had to put the camera down because of cars. They get distracted.
Nah, as long as you face it this way, it's fine. I think they should be fine. They're coming that way. Since we were on that side,
No, but the one's coming this way.
yeah, the headlights, think about it.
Oh,
Look at how we're going straight through. Yet again, we're still walking on the side of Canyon Lakes. I can obviously see the house from here. By there, yeah, me and Katie. It's not that far.
I don't think you can see their house. There's a palm tree.
I can see it through the cracks.
I mean, it's really dark, so don't expect much.
We don't care. As long as you see us, that's all that matters.
Man, I'm telling you, it's crazy.
I know. Like, cars are flying by.
You want to say sayonara?
Huh?
You want to say bye to the video?
Let's just say bye. We're gonna end this. Hang on. Here, let me get my boy in this.
I'm playing mine now, so peace. Y'all have a good 4th of July. Be safe. Don't smoke. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. I gotta get that face again. Okay.
Bye.